Hey everyone, and welcome back to Business Mindset. What if we told you that you could make money without putting a lot of or effort or money into it? Sounds pretty good, right? That is exactly what passive income is about. It's ideal if you're looking for an extra earn without investing a lot into it. Most of the modes of passive income are online and can be done very easily, as the requirements mostly are a desktop or a laptop. And if you have any skill that you can work with, it just gets better. So that's what this video is about, passive income ideas. Today we will be discussing about the top 10 passive income ideas with no money. Make sure you stick around to number 1 as you don't want to miss a single idea. Number 10. Start a blog. Blogs are everywhere. You find them all over the web nowadays. Did you know that it doesn't cost money to start one? You can make one today for free. And while you're at it, you can also start earning money from these blogs. A wonderful way to earn a passive income for little effort. Blogs can make money through ads or affiliate links. With ads, you can sell spaces on the blog site to companies. They will pay to advertise their company and you can earn in your sleep. This is a simple way to earn some side cash. You will just need to build up your site so companies will want to advertise. Affiliate links are another tool you can use to earn from a blog. Affiliate links are links to products on sites like Amazon. When someone clicks on the link from your blog and buys a product, you get a small earning. Over time, if enough people click these links and buy, you can earn a sizable amount of cash. Number 9. Sell an ebook. Are you a writer? It could even just be a hobby for you. Either way, you can earn from this. Kindle allows independent writers to sell their books through their service. It is simple and a great way to make a passive income from a skill you may already have. Check out all the other popular ebooks being sold independently. The length of your book and the genre doesn't matter. What does is your audience. To really start earning from this, you'll need to advertise your book. Find a niche and you may be able to sell for a higher price. You'll also find audiences easier that way. This will really help you sell. This may take some time and a bit more effort, but it can be worth it in the end. If you come up with a great book and really find that audience, you can be earning for years. That is the great thing about ebooks. If they are popular enough, they will always be there to be sold. Number 8. Sell an online course. Online courses are a great tool for our modern generation. You can learn just about anything from the web nowadays. But did you know you can also teach just about anything? Yep. You can actually sell online courses and you can start today. There are plenty of sites out there, such as Udemy, that allow users to sell independently produced courses. You will want to build up your reputation to ensure a lot of students will buy your courses, and you can do this by making nice presentations and adding lots of useful details to your course. If you have one successful course, you can make plenty of others and people will want to take them. Take a skill you have and help others to learn that skill as well. This is a great passive income because it won't need much maintenance and you will get to help other people out. It can be started with little to no money. In fact, you can use what you already have. Number 7. Start an ad agency. Ads are everywhere. In this digital age, companies are spending lots of cash on ads. That means ad agencies are earning a lot. If you have a basic knowledge in ads and video and photo editing, you can start your own digital ad agency. Facebook ads are a major tool for many large companies, and if you can prove that you can create successful ads, these companies may want to hire you and you can start earning a lot. It won't take much, just a computer and some editing software, all of which you may already have. Start studying ads and find out what people like to view. There are plenty of documents and lessons for free on the internet that can teach you about this, and in no time you can start running your own ad agency. Start out with a nice ad portfolio and build from there. Number 6. Sell stock photos. Surely you have seen stock photos everywhere. These are images that can be used for just about any product, and you usually have to pay a fee to use a library of them. Why not start earning by taking some stock photos yourself? It can be simple and lucrative. You can even start today. If you have a nice camera, you can take a photo of just about anything and turn it into a stock photo. It can be a landscape, objects, or even consenting people. You don't have to be a professional photographer to sell stock images, and you can even learn some tips online for free. So grab a camera, even if it's your phone camera, and start shooting today. You can even try editing these photos to make them look even better. Check out some stock photo websites to see how you can start selling and earning a passive income today. Number 5. Sell your class notes. Class notes can be important for many people. We all want to pass our classes, so if you're prepared and have notes for certain subjects, you can sell those notes and earn a passive income from them. This is simple because you only need to have one set of notes and you can sell to multiple people. Study Soup is a website that allows students to sell their notes and guides to other students. This is a great way to help others while also earning some money. It is also simple and is one of those types of passive incomes that allows you to make money while you sleep. If you are just finding out about this now, you can start taking notes for your classes to prepare to sell them. It can also benefit you and allow you to advance in your classes. Grab your pen and paper and start writing down what your professor is saying and then start earning. Number 4. Create an information product. Information products are products that can provide information to others. Pretty self-explanatory. These can include self-help books or study guides. People are always willing to spend on something they believe will give them knowledge, so you can earn by giving out what you already know. You may need to advertise a bit, but this will definitely be worth it. For example, Rosemary Groner of Busy Budgeter earned over $58,000 in 1 month just by selling 2 informational guides. These were short informational guides, so you won't need to put out entire novels of information. Advertising may be the difficult part and could even cost a bit of money, but the profit will definitely come through. Find out what people want to learn about and start selling that kind of information. It is a great way to earn a passive income and you can start today. Number 3. License your music. Do you make music, or do you at least have the skill to? Just like stock photos, you can sell stock music. You don't need to be a big-time musician to do this, and you can earn a lot of money for years to come. Stock music works similarly to stock photos. There is usually a library of content with a fee to pay a license for a song for multiple types of projects. You can create generic sounding music, such as electronic music or corporate music, and sell these to people who need them for their videos. The great thing is that you may already have the tools to do this. If you own an iMac, MacBook, or iPhone, you already have GarageBand built in. This is a super user-friendly application that can allow you to make music even if you don't have instruments. You may need to look up how to EQ, but that can be simple and free. Number 2. Build an app. Do you know how to program and build apps? If you do, then you could be earning. Apps make money by either being sold or by hosting ads. You can make a free app that includes ads, and a lot of people will download it and you can earn big. Games that are simple are always being downloaded, so find out what is popular today. Want to get in on this but don't have the skills? There are plenty of free beginner courses and some affordable programs online that will help you to be an app builder. You can even pay someone to build it for you and still earn a profit. Apps come in all shapes and sizes, and you can check out the App Store and Google Play Store to see what is doing well. Free apps are sure to get downloads, but you may need to work hard to get other companies to advertise. You can also sell ad-free versions of these apps. Add-ons also will help earn more cash with an app. There are plenty of ways to earn with this passive income technique, so do a bit of research and start earning. Number 1. Become an influencer. I know what you're thinking. Aren't influencers rich? Don't they flaunt their money? Well, not all of them started that way. You can become an influencer with what you currently have. Just find your angles and something to show off and you can be well on your way. Advertising yourself is one big way to become an influencer. You need an audience. That is the biggest part of being an influencer, and it may take time, but you can get there with a bit of effort. Take nice photos and maybe find a niche. People will more likely swarm if you have a specific niche. You can earn as an influencer through ads and sponsorships. This can actually earn you a ton of cash. Sponsorships have helped influencers buy houses and cars, so if you want that kind of wealth, consider this passive income technique. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.